Here's my practice problem for chapter 10. This actually happened to me the other morning, so I figured I'd make it a problem. The tires in my car were filled to 30 psi on a warm day of 30 degrees Celsius. I woke up this morning, actually yesterday morning, and the temperature had fallen to 7 degrees Celsius, and the check tire pressure light in my car was on. So assuming that there's no holes or air leaks, what is the new pressure in my tire? So, to start out, I know that I need to convert the 30 psi to ATM units. So 1 ATM is equivalent to 14.7 psi, so that gives me 2.04 ATM. Then I'm going to convert my Celsius temperatures to Kelvin. So the initial temperature was 30 degrees plus 273.15, so that gives me 303.15 degrees Kelvin. And then the current temperature, or the second temperature, is 7 degrees Celsius. So add to that the 273.15, and that gives us 280.15 degrees Kelvin. So then I'm going to use the gas law of P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2 that relates pressure and temperature. So I'll plug in my numbers, 2.04 ATM over 303.15 degrees Kelvin equals P2 over 280.15 degrees Kelvin. So I'll solve for P2, and that gives me 1.89 ATM. But just to relate it back and make it realistic, I want to convert the 1.89 ATM back to PSI. So 1.89 times 14.7 gives me 27.71 PSI, which is pretty close to what the pressure in my tire was. So there's my problem.